All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So got the Supcase UB grip case here for my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So big thanks to Supcase for sending this out for review. So let's take a peek at the packaging here. So new packaging, I like it, looks different. Established in 2011 in Atlanta, Georgia. Supcase branding, gear up, stay unbreakable. And then on the back, it does say Unicorn Beetle. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy out. So it has an extended warranty card, but here is the phone case, and it's a brown leather on the back here. So it's a high-end case. It's about 50, 60 bucks on Amazon right now, but check that out. Very different. A lot of like copper looking tones, but it's almost like chocolate. I don't know, like, hopefully the video is doing its justice, but that's exactly what I thought when I saw it. It just looked like a high-end chocolate bar. I don't know why I thought that, but that's just what I thought. Interior, you can clearly see we do have the MagSafe capabilities going on inside here. UB grip with the branding, and then just heavy-duty interior. I mean, just like any Supcase case, I mean, you're getting extreme protection with your case for your phone. So let's go ahead and slap it on. Easy install. And that is the way it looks installed on the back here. So nice pill-shaped cutout for the 3 lenses on this side, pill-shaped cutout for this side. Got that really nice high-end kickstand that we'll test in just a sec. But like I said, the leather is awesome. Smells like leather, so that's a good thing. But just looking at it, you can see the lenses are nicely recessed in, so it looks really good. Yeah, it just looks really nice. Let's go ahead and test that kickstand like I said. So obviously you can go, in landscape mode or portrait mode. I like the kickstand when it has that flatter edge at the bottom. I can actually sit it up and not worry about it tipping over. It's got a nice flat surface on that kickstand portion, and it allows me to go pretty far back, so that hinge is pretty strong. But of course you can bring it in a little bit more if you want it more angled, or bring it up a little more if you want it like that. So definitely a big positive there with that kickstand. And then if we look on the sides here, you're gonna just see just a lot of grip, right? So I got grip on the sides here. We have our power button, volume up and down buttons. All of them are individually cut out and raised. And then it does give us a little bit of chunky corners. Obviously that's just for drop protection, which welcome that for a $1,300 phone. And this is the design they went with for the bottom. So you can see individual cutout for the USB-C charging port and mic. And then we have our speaker. And then we have a lanyard holes if we want lanyards. And then this is the design they went with for the S Pen. So let's see if it's easy to get out. Definitely is. And it's interesting because the way they did it is they cut it out where it's open a little more on this side, because with the S Pen, it can really only go in one direction the right way, since it has that rounded corner now. So pretty easy to get a hold of there. And then you can see here on the sides, just all grip right there. Just stupid amount of grip right there. And then if we look at the top, once again, chunky corners, pill-shaped cutout for the microphones. And then surprisingly, I mean, yes, it's once again big because any S26 Ultra is gonna be wobbly, but that's the way it looks top down. Very good lip coverage. And then I do have a tempered glass screen protector installed, and it's playing just fine with it. So now let's go ahead and test out the wobble test here. No shaking going on face down. And back down. Shaking going on. That's just going to be kind of the norm. But looking at it, it's hard to tell in the video, but the angle I'm at, this is the first case so far that I've tested that almost evens out and has a flat back on the S26 Ultra, because every phone case I've tested so far, it's literally like teetering the direction of this, meaning I can obviously push it down and it's gonna move. But if I hit it on the sides, it's not like crazy like some of the other wobble tests that I've done. So just something to point out. All right, and to test the MagSafe strength, I have a charger here that I'm going to be using. And that's one thing that is interesting with these types of kickstands or just in general MagSafe chargers when you're dealing with the kickstand MagSafe on the back of a phone case like this. So definitely has a strong grip, no doubt about it. But you gotta have to, I mean, it's not the end of the world, but if you notice, depending on how you pull it off, it's gonna pull that out. And I've always pointed that out. I always just say you kind of almost go like to the side and it just comes right off. But it's just something to think about whenever you're doing any type of testing with these, because it's always gonna pull. But the pros outweigh the cons of that issue because now you got a kickstand, right? So just something to point out, but the MagSafe strength is very good on these, so no issues at all. So there we have it, guys. There is the UB Grip brown phone case. Let me know what you think. I think it looks actually really cool. It's rugged. Adds a little bit of weight to the phone. I mean, this isn't a small phone by any means. So, I mean, that's one thing that I'm learning going from my 17 Pro to this as I'm testing it. It's a big phone. So anytime that you add any bulk, you're adding weight and thicker types of things going on with the phone case. But one thing I will say though is I do like how slim the sides are, and that's where you're gripping it the most, which I do like. And I'm okay with the chunkier corners because once again, it's supposed to protect it. So there you go, guys. Like I said, I'll put some links down in the description if you're interested in scooping this up. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.